Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to convert image to AI. First of all, open up the JPG to AI converter site in a web browser. Once you get into its site, tap to choose File. Then, you can select the image from your gallery which you want to convert. So after selecting the image, tap to convert it. It might take some time to get converted to AI. Once it's done, tap to download the image. After downloading the image, tap to save it into your gallery and files. And then, you will be able to see the downloaded AI image. You can use this image on various social media platforms to create videos and content of different types. AI can enhance images by improving their quality, removing noise, and sharpening details. This is particularly helpful in photography and video editing, as it can make images look more professional. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.